This oyster, how many are this? We bought this in the Filipino store, coming from state of Washington. So we have to wash it. Where's the scissors? We have to wash it one by one. So it's gonna come out clean. Just use the net to scrub the shell. How much is this? $12.99 for how many pieces? A dozen. Get one by one. You have to scrub the shell with the nylon. So rinse again with water. And arrange this one in the microwave. Arrange again and arrange in the plate, ready to microwave. Okay. Wait for 20 minutes. This is only like half cooked, not really fully cooked. So where's the lemon? Okay. So you're gonna. So now this is ready, and this is only half cooked, not fully cooked. So now this is easy to open. Do you see this is like open a little bit? So just get the knife. Oh my god, it's hot. So, okay, we're ready to, this is ready to eat. So, let's open this one with a knife. Put lemon on it. And ready to eat.